How to make money online in 2023.
The internet has changed the world and it's still changing. There are new ways to make money on the internet every day, and some of them are harder than others. However, they all have their place in this ever-changing world. 1. Social media. Social media is a great way to make money. You can create an account on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube, and start posting content about things that interest you. If you're interested in something specific, like fitness or fashion, try using hashtags related to your topic so more people will see it. If creating an influencer page seems like too much work for you, try promoting products or services through social media instead. This can be done by sharing sales links on your page or even asking followers if they want to buy something from them directly. You just need permission first. For example, I recently advertised my own book here on Instagram because it was free, but I wanted people who liked my channel enough so that they would actually follow me long term. It worked out well because now many people know about the book thanks its presence in their feeds all day long, which means more sales overall. 2. Blogging. Blogging is another great way to make money online. You can charge for your blog posts, sell advertising on your site, or even sell things like products and services on the platform itself. You can use affiliate marketing to make money as well, or even just get paid when people buy those products through links that you provide in one of your blog posts. This can all be done on either your own website or if you prefer working with other bloggers who are also trying out this method of making a living from home. Both methods have their pros and cons, but either way, there's potential for success.